In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use healthcare fields in Docusign Esignature. If you're new to Docusign, or even if you've been using it for a while, mastering healthcare specific fields can be a crucial part of managing documents efficiently. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to navigate to Docusign's website. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Go ahead and enter your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. The sign up process is straightforward and you'll be guided through it when you click the login area. After successfully logging into your account, it's time to proceed to the Docusign home. This interface is your central hub where you can create and manage all your documents. The layout is user friendly with tabs and options clearly outlined, making it easy for you to find what you need. Once you reach the Docusign homepage, your next task is to locate the medical intake form. This form is specifically designed with healthcare fields in mind, providing a specialized set of tools to capture medical information securely. Clicking on this form will open up the template, allowing you to tailor it to your needs. This is particularly useful for those in the healthcare industry who need to ensure that sensitive patient information is handled in compliance with regulations. Now that you have the medical intake form open, look for the option labeled Add Selected. Clicking this button will allow you to incorporate the template into your workflow. This ensures that the document is fully prepared for e-signatures and any additional edits you may require, such as adding or altering fields to better suit your specific requirements. By following these steps, you should now be fully prepared to use healthcare fields within Docusign Esignature. This process not only streamlines document management in a healthcare setting, but also enhances security and accuracy when collecting vital information. Remember, with the right templates and tools, you can significantly reduce the time spent on paperwork, allowing you to focus more on what matters, providing excellent care. And there you have it, you've learned how to use healthcare fields within Docusign eSignature. Whether you're managing intakes or obtaining necessary signatures, this feature is a great asset to optimize your document workflow. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy signing.